All right, we're here with my buddy Graham Dosher in his 33-inch lifted Suburban with a V8 with my buddy Malachi. We're gonna do some real shit.
Hell yeah, dude, look at this.
Uh-oh.
This guy in my last comment section was talking about his Nokian Hapalaka, whatever the fuck they're called, and he thinks they're going to destroy the K03s in the winter. I don't think so at all. So I asked him if you want to do a little comparison video, and he might be down for it. So drop a like if you want to see this video happen.
Drag race to the other end. 2, 1, go.
If y'all are interested in the dash cam that I use, this is the G980H. I will link it in the description. All right, I just went down to approximately 20 PSI, maybe even a little lower. Graham is gonna go down to 20 PSI.
Airing it out the ghetto method.
Yep. We're gonna try to compare these tires. Obviously, Graham is not on a method Beadgrip. He can't go down low PSI. We're gonna try to get him down to 12 PSI over the night. I'm gonna go down super low, but for now, we're gonna try to match each other to see the capability. Nice, bro. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Just off my basic first instinct.
Just try to winch it out. Try to be fast enough. It's hard to get in there. All right, the K03s are going crazy. They're cutting through 2 feet right now.
Okay, ready? Here we go. Yeah! Oh yeah, maybe keep pulling me the whole way.
Graham's Baja Bosses were having a lot of trouble at his pretty high PSI, so we just decided to leave him behind at our camp spot and keep going to my car.
that tree? It's not. Oh my god. Oh. Yep, good winch. BFG's big. Well, not a big pretty restaurant. Yeah. We're gonna have to go to that tree with this one. Yeah.
You can even just have it spit up.
What? It's good beef. It doesn't have to be like perfect.
Oh. Going loose with the headlamp. We made it through the night. It was pretty brutal, super windy and very rainy. But we're gonna do a little bit more off-roading today after breakfast. Ravensburg is having a bit of trouble, mainly due to his wider track width and his Baja Bosses not being aired down as much as mine. We were able to pull him out of some of these situations, but we did have to leave him behind. Mine are roadblocked.
Yeah, dude, there's no way.
Wow.
That's crazy.
Looks very fresh. Maybe even like last night, dude.
That'd be fresh too. Bro, it flipped the snow.
Yeah, that's like I wanted to get over this tree super bad because there was a viewpoint ahead that had a full view of Mount Hood, but I kept getting stuck in a ditch. Alright, I'm super stuck in this stupid ditch while we were trying to get over this stupid tree. On the left.
Some of it's up though. Yeah. Try my this one. I should have good developed wide suburban tracks.
Yep. I'm just making these and we went down a little forest.
Those were your
road.
Yeah.
I think so, yeah.
Was the sign up still?
No.
No.
Yeah, actually, yeah. Alright guys, that's the end of this trip. I hope you liked the video a ton. I wish we could have compared the tires a little bit more in depth, but this snow was pretty difficult for the Suburban to keep up in, and there just wasn't really a lot of obstacles or places wide enough for us to both compare on an even playing ground. Hopefully next time, maybe he can get some method bead grips or bead locks and we can go down super low PSI and actually fully compare the tire. But until next time, I'll see you guys later.